it was middle of the rainy season, which made the drive a bit nuts. We were hoping for some good weather, or good waves at least. It took just over 5 hours to get there. Doesn't really feel like 5 hours though, because there's so much to see on the way there. We went to go check out a quiet beach in Lipit and decided to set up camp there for the night.
So we're doing some hardcore camping. Mattress. And the gas that we got was citronella.
Yep. I don't even know how to do this. I have never done this before, so I hope this will be successful. Ooh, that is nice. I feel like a fire gas. Here?
Okay. I was thinking over there.
Well, we don't want to burn up the tent. Oh, I just touched something.
I think it's wood, my love.
I think it's poop.
It's wood. Oh no, it's poop. I'm just kidding. It's wood. Campsite. Still dark.
Sure that's safe? It's hot.
It's fire.
Yep. We got a problem. Our fire is spreading towards our tent. Nice. Där är mat redo. Okay, so I made the mistake of buying the first decent tent I could find in the hardware store. We barely got any sleep, but I was able to capture this beautiful sunrise. Okay, moving on. Morning.
Just morning. Nothing good about it.
Huh?
Morning. Just realized cooked a frog last night. So I did. It's for our coffee. Is there enough hot water for coffee as well? She brought a tiny ass tent for one. We both had to sleep in. There's no air. We couldn't open the door because the insects would get in.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not a camper, but hey, let's not mess with the insects. So I suggested last night when it was really hot, I said, hey, we got that tent. Oh, sorry, we got the umbrella. Just in case it rains, let's go sleep under the umbrella. The umbrella. So.
There's something on your foot. Maybe it's broken. Oh, shit.
Fresh coconuts.
So after our fresh coconut breakfast, we packed our stuff and headed to town and ran into our surfer friend Mike, who took us to a beautiful fishing spot. After we stopped by the public market for some bait, of course. This is Mike.
Wow, this is nice. Yeah, how deep is it here? Oh, I can look at black and yellow, black and yellow.